Alright, welcome back to Beck. So this video I'm going to show digging out part of the barn wall that's going to need fixed coming up. Had a supervisor, friends with, got to talking on a road trip and told him what was going on. I needed to dig out a wall, and he's like, hey, I got a Kubota with a little backhoe attachment on the back. I can give you a hand, which, you know, that's awesome. So he ended up coming over and digging out this wall that would have taken me 14 years to dig out by a shovel. So extremely appreciative of that. Thanks, Brian. So here's different video clips of that, and hope you enjoy it. So here's some before and after clips. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, comment, like, share. We'll see you next time.